Smoke weed every day. Smoke
Thomas is a DANK engine. He's a cheeky little engine with 6 small wheels and a short stumpy dong. And every year on the date of the accident, it runs again as a warning to others, plunging into the gap, shrieking like a lost soul. Percy.
Ghost version.
Oh, it makes my wheels wobble to think of it. Huh, said Thomas. You're just a silly little engine. Gordon was resting in a siding. Sometimes, he thought, it's really tiring to be such a large and splendid engine. One does have to keep up appearances, so... Hello, fat face. They telephoned the Fat Controller. So Gordon didn't want to take the special train and ran into a ditch. Huh! Who cares? Oh, leave him where he is. We haven't time to bother with him now. You've done it! Hooray! Sang the coaches. Everyone was excited. The Fat Controller leaned out of the window to wave at Edward and Henry. But the train was going so fast.
gonna clean my room until I got high. I was gonna get up and find the broom, but then I got high. My room is still messed up, and I know why. Why, man? Yeah, cause I got high. Because I got high. Because I got high.
Disaster lay ahead.
Shaving his custom. He now realized he was on the wrong track.
This is great banter. It really is.
Your colour's nice, James. Pity about your face, though.
No! Get the camera!
I like trains.